Good evening, and I am excited to show you how to create your own Google Calendar. Within Google, this is really handy if you want to, send out events and, show everyone like a set calendar for a specific group. For me as a basketball coach or a coach in the past, this has been really handy for things like summer schedules and practice schedules during the year because I can add not only like student emails, but I can also add parent emails and I can send this out to them, and we can have everyone on the same page and there's no excuse for, a missed practice or things like that. So first and foremost, you're going to go to the top right, okay, the nine dots, the Google Apps. You're going to go to your Google Calendar. This is how everything should be set up as long as you have Google Chrome, which we should as a Google school. Okay. Right now, I have my student email, my Fort Hays State University email, and you can see my calendars that are set up on the left side here. If I want to add my own calendar, okay, as you can see right now, I have a calendar from a previous class, MIT 812, okay, that's attached there. If I want to add a calendar, I'm going to go down to this other calendars and add other calendars. I can subscribe, I can create, but I'm going to create a new calendar. I'm going to name it, let's do MIT 814. That's the class that I'm currently taking. You can add your description, whatever you want to do, and we will create. And we'll wait here as it creates the calendar. And I'll go down. You can see here it's successfully created, and you have the option to configure. I'm going to go back here actually and find it. There we go, 814. Okay. And I'm going to go click on the three dots and I'm going to go settings and sharing. So now by clicking on that, I have the option to figure out who I want to send this to. So I can come down, I can make it available to the public. So anyone's available, anyone can do it. Available for FHSU, anyone that's involved. Or I can just add people manually. Or if you're like the school that I'm at right now, you have one that's, all the staff are involved in one email, you can do that as well. So I can add my, if I would add my personal email, I'll send the invite. That person's now been invited and they just need to accept and they can be added into it. You can add notifications, okay, so that every event is remindable. All day notifications, all of this can be customized. And everything on the left, you can change the color that it is. So there's lots of customizable features to this, but this is kind of just the easy way to create your own calendar, and hope this helps. Thanks and best of luck.